Welcome back to my channel, Color Me Sunshine. It has been a long time since I made a video. Also, I've been seeing my subscriber list jump up sky high from 100, which was amazing, to 200, 300, now it's 403, I think. So thank you so much, guys. I am so appreciative. I'm so glad that you guys are enjoying my content and expect more to come. The last few months, I've actually been doing some palette knife painting. It's a new thing for me, so that's really fun and I'm enjoying it a lot. If you go check out my Instagram, you can see some of those paintings that I have done. Please follow me. I'm going to show you today one of those paintings and all the juicy textures. So let's get into it. So this is the final piece with all the awesome texture you can see up close here. And I have it hanging on my wall with some of the other paintings that you can see on my Instagram also. So if you enjoyed this, make sure you give this video a like, please subscribe, and I'll see you next Friday. Bye.